Information about spruce. Spruce is a type of evergreen tree that belongs to the genus Picea in the family Pinaceae. There are about 35 different species of spruce that are found in the northern hemisphere, primarily in the temperate and boreal regions. Spruce trees are typically tall, with needle-like leaves that are attached singly to the branches. The needles are usually four-sided and can be quite sharp. Spruce trees are also distinguished by their cones, which hang down from the branches and have thin, flexible scales. Spruce trees are important for their economic and ecological value. They are often used for timber, pulpwood, and Christmas trees. They are also important in forest ecosystems, providing habitat for a variety of wildlife and contributing to the overall health and stability of the forest. In addition, spruce trees have been used for medicinal purposes in traditional medicine. The bark and needles of some species contain compounds that have been used to treat coughs, colds, and other respiratory ailments. Overall, spruce trees are a significant and valuable part of many northern forests, providing a range of benefits to both humans and the natural environment.